Is real estate a viable option to accumulate wealth? Manu Sharma says, there is no shortcut to make money or get rich quickly in real estate, but you can slowly and steadily build wealth by investing wisely. You would know that there are many different ways to become rich, but real estate is one of the best ways to build wealth. According to real estate experts, it's a big yes to invest in the real estate sector in the next 2 years, and everyone is optimistic about the future of the real estate industry in the country and look forward to brighter days. It is believed that 2020 has great potential for both residential and commercial real estate business. In the last few years, co-ed office space has gained impressive traction in most cities, with ITeS players contributing to most of the demand. Experts suggest that to make it a smoother pathway for investors and developers, the government needs to take more quick and bold corrective measures for the housing and urban infrastructure sector, so that demand can be boosted to an unprecedented level. Brauku is an upcoming real estate company providing you with your choice of living in rented homes. We are redefining the concept of rented homes for Indian students and working professionals, especially for people affected by COVID-19 or had a huge loss in pandemic and can't afford any extra commission. Brauku is not just about business. We are a friend driven by passion to help you finding your home hassle-free and no commission. We aim to create an ecosystem acting as a one common channel of communication for all the queries, problems, even changing a bulb. Mark Andrew says, 1. Invest for the long haul. Don't flip. Every flipper I have ever met, with exception of a few contractors that had tremendous renovation resources and did it on the side, have ultimately declared bankruptcy. 2. Always invest at a minimum of a 15% cap rate. If you can't find that in an acceptable neighborhood or community, look in another community. If the market is too high everywhere, wait for a correction and invest when the time is right. 3. Only buy what you can manage well. If you can't manage it well, don't buy it. Don't trust a property manager. 4. Make sure you buy properties and renovate them to attract great tenants. 5. Get great at doing real numbers, not the numbers the realtors give you. 6. Develop a stable of private investors that can move fast with you. Never miss a single payment to them. Never risk their capital. Always have your own money in the deal after theirs. 7. Know what you can do and what you can't do. Find someone who complements you and is exceptional at what you're not good at and hire them or make them your partner or some hybrid of the two. 8. When prices get stupid wacky high, sell. Stupid wacky high is usually about a 5% cap rate. Move to cash and don't invest a penny until the market corrects. It always does. Don't carry financing for the crazy buyer that buys at those cap rates. 9. Live below your means. Have a reserve. 10. Pay very close attention to incentives. If you are not getting the behavior you hope for, check the incentives. 11. The only standard contracts I use are my standard contracts. My standards are usually very different than standard contracts. I've been investing in and financing real estate for 35 years. This is what has worked for me. Charles A. Morgan Jr. says, a couple of great answers here. A quick quote: buy land. They ain't making any more of the stuff. Will Rogers: even desert land can be valuable. Land typically goes up in value, rarely down unless your water source dries up. There are lots of tax breaks to owning rental property. It is slow, but even when the market is going down, rental properties are still producing cash flow. My rents actually went up during the 2008 recession. I can live in one of my rentals if I need to. Join Bigger Pockets. You can learn a lot about real estate there. Thanks for watching our video on, is real estate a viable option to accumulate wealth?